Hey guys, look what I got. It's BLUEY's Ultimate Mega Set, and it comes with 40 pieces. I can't wait. Let's get into it. Let's start by opening it up. Wow, I'm excited. I hope you are too. Wow. Look, guys, it's BLUEY's car. Wow, how cool. I like it. It says BLUEY right here on the back, and it has a license plate. How cool. 4 people can sit in it, and it even has some car seats for the kids. Wow. Check out all the characters. Wonder what this is. Oh, it's all the furniture for the BLUEY house. Oh wow, I can't wait to take a look. Let's get the house set up. Wow, look at BLUEY's house. This is really nice. It has a little door right here. Oh, wow, and it opens too. Oh, there's some stuff in there. Got a little plant here and windows. This is really nice. Let's take a look on the other side. Oh, it's some packages. Let's see. What's in them? Oh, a little stool. How cute. And a chef's hat. I like a nice chef hat. Oh, and we have another stool. Great. Oh, we have a toilet. It's great for the bathroom area. And a tub. Wow, that's a nice tub. We'll put it right up here. Wow, looks like we have a bench. We must have a picnic table in here. And another bench. Cool. Gonna be a picnic. What else do we have? Let's see. Not sure what that is. Wow, this looks like a refrigerator. Oh, it is a refrigerator, and it has food in it. Let's see, what do you see? I see a banana and an apple. I see bread, sodas, and jelly. Those are some good things. Okay, we'll put that in the kitchen. Here's another bag right here. Let's see what's in here. Wow, it looks like it's some beds. Nice. This is a nice bed. It looks comfortable. Where will we put it? Let's put one right here. Oh, and we have another bed. And this one is yellow. This is nice. Let's put the other one over here. The house is coming along well. Let's see what else we have. Here's another envelope. I wonder what's inside. Wow, it's a swing. This is going to be nice on the playground. And look at here, we have a slide. So we have a swing and a slide. Okay. And what do we have here? Oh, it looks like a sink. Is that a sink? Yeah, that's a kitchen sink in the corner. So let's put our refrigerator over here on this side. So now we have a sink, a refrigerator, we have a tub and a toilet, and we have 2 beds. We also have a slide and a swing. Is there anything that's missing? Hey, I found another box of stuff right here. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, wow, more furniture. Let's check it out. We have a table. That's nice. And it looks like it's a swimming pool. That's definitely a surfboard. This is stuff for outdoors. Let's look at that a little later. Oh, we have some more chairs to go in the house. Those are nice. What else we have? Oh, this is a barbecue pit. I can't wait to cook on that. That's really nice. And what is this? Oh, look at there. It's a wagon. I wonder what color this wagon is. Red, that's right. That's a nice red wagon. And this must be the tiki house. Okay, well, let's put it together. Let's make sure we have everything we need for the house. I would think the 2 bar stools would go here at the counter. And we'll put the benches right here. We'll put the swing and slide set over here, next to the wagon. I still don't know what this is. But we will figure it out. Let's not forget our barbecue pit. Let's take everything out first. Wow, what a nice pool. Oh, it comes with some instructions and paperwork. And a couple of stickers too. How cool. Oh, okay. We'll take a look at those later. Wow, look at that pool. Isn't that cool? It has a ladder and a diving board. This is really nice. Maybe this piece right here goes to the pool. Nope, it doesn't look like it. So we'll put the pool right here next to the house. And we'll put the floaty on the pool as well. And maybe the surfboard's over here as well. Here's another little table. Oh, we have a donut. A real donut. Doesn't that look good? What color is that donut? Purple, right. We're gonna put the donut in the pool. Now let's see what's in this package. Hey, what do we have here? Oh, it looks like some rearview mirrors for the car. And a water gun. And some goggles. We'll put the water gun and the goggles over here. And let's not forget the car. And let's get the car and put the rear view mirrors on it. One goes on this side. And the other one goes on this side. Wow, isn't that cool? Actual rear view mirrors, and they're turning too. This is really nice. I can't wait to take a ride in this one. Let's see what's in this package. Oh, wow. We have a spatula for the grill. Ooh, and some hot dogs. Put that right on the grill. And a nice salad. That's a healthy choice. Good job. I guess the last thing to do is put this tiki hut together. Let's see. Oh yeah, it fits. Let's try another one. Got it. We have 2 more left. And the last one. How many tiki sticks do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tiki hut sticks. Let's see. Maybe this roof will fit on there now. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that fits now. Wow, what a nice tiki hut. Now it seems like something is missing. Maybe the tiki hut and the pool goes together. Let's see. It clicks right in. So the tiki hut and the pool goes together. But I never figured out what this part was for. Let's see. I know. Maybe it fits on the car. Let's see. No, it's not a bumper. Don't know where that goes. Let's see. What else could it be? Could it be some stairs? But where? Where would stairs go? Let's take a look. We'll put the car there, and we'll put the tiki pool set over here. And the swing and slide will move over a little. Maybe we'll turn the house around just to see. Maybe there's some stairs in the front. There it is. I see 2 holes right here, and here is 2 spouts right here. Would it go right here? Yes! It goes right there. There it is. Wow! Now you have some stairs to go in when you're going in and out the door. How cool is that? Let's take a look at the house again. We have the house. We have a car right here. We have a tiki pool over here. We have a swing and a slide set right here. We even have a red wagon. And we have the living room, and I believe I'm going to put that table right here in the middle. We have a picnic table right here. And here's the benches. We have a picnic table with 2 benches. We have a barbecue pit with some hot dogs and a salad. And we have a bathtub, a toilet, and 2 beds. Wow, that's a nice ultimate set. It comes with everything. Let's look at some of the characters. What a cool bunch. I was just looking at the car, and I see that you could put the surfboards on top of the car. See? How cool. And you have your floating rings, you have your diving board, and even glasses for one of them to put on. Probably this little guy. Yeah, check it out. He has the glasses. We can put them right in a donut so he can relax. And then he can also come up the ladder and jump in the pool. This is really cool. And we did have that hat. Let's put the hat on and give him a spatula so he can start cooking. Oh wow, look at that. Now that's a chef. And then you can put the kids in the wagon. And somebody can pull them. They can even hold on to the wagon. Thanks guys for joining me while I unbox BLUEY's Ultimate Mega Set. And as you see, it comes with a whole bunch of furniture, a nice big house, a car, a hut with a pool, swing set with a patio set, and some toys. This is great. I can't wait to play. We'll see you soon. Bye.